That's right, you can now unlock your door with the Celebrity Cruises app on your cell phone. And we are looking at a concierge class stateroom on board the brand new Celebrity Beyond. Have a look at the room control system with controls for the temperature, the lighting, the blinds as well. And you can see we're in deck 11 here. Our muster station is on deck 5. We have a standard size bathroom, but it's actually fairly large in here. I can open my arms all the way across. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. Make sure to check out my cruise tours playlist where I have over 350 videos on the world's best cruise ships. So we have a pretty wide shower here with a removable row shower head and the C.O. Bigelow amenities. I don't know if you can see, but I'm a slim guy. I can get all the way in here and turn around, so that's pretty good. We have a single head. Nice design with water cups, soap, and lotion. You'll have a little waste bin there. You'll have a plug here for a hair dryer, which they do include. And you do get a bunch of extra amenities with the concierge class, so make sure to look at the written video description. You'll see it there. Every room has a Wi-Fi router on Celebrity. And here's some of the goodies. You get binoculars for use, shoe shine kit, umbrella, and a laundry bag there. All magnetized closet doors. I have a safe here. Some storage space. Not a lot of space here in the closet, so just bring a few things to hang up and keep the rest in your suitcase under the bed. So I have a big queen bed that does separate into two twins. They'll put the nightstands in between if you don't want to be so close with your roommate. They have a full TV and infotainment system with the latest Samsung flat screen TVs. They still want me to watch the safety video, which you can do from your room now. You don't have to go down to one of the lounges to sit and wait on it. And then they'll have various channels, including the navigation, and they'll play live sports, Super Bowls, major events, that type of thing. Various news channels, finance channels, and ESPN, Red Bull, etc. We'll have a writing table with a art book. This gives you all the different art pieces that are on board the ship. So you can do an art tour on a sea day or something like that. And a lighted vanity mirror and chair. And some more desk space with a electronics and cord box here. We have all the different plugs. We have the international and US standard and some USB ports in here. We have a chaise lounger. Some more artwork. Room service menu. And then this is everybody's favorite thing, the new infinite veranda, which is not my favorite thing. It has French door closing. So you gotta kind of pull it a little hard to get it to shut all the way. And then it kind of rattles a little bit. And then you still have, if you close this behind you, you still can have an outdoor balcony space with air conditioning on the inside. But it can be a little hassle to move the chairs around to make sure you get everything closed properly and that you can open the vents or open the window. And then you'll have a shade here that comes down quickly. And by the way, you can control this from your cell phone app as well. And then this will come down and open also. And we're in beautiful Fort Lauderdale today. I'm on a 2-night travel agent cruise. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing the concierge class stateroom here on the Celebrity Beyond. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit like on the video. Subscribe to Affluent Journeys here on YouTube, that helps me a lot. And put your comments down below so I can hear your feedback and maybe others can learn from your experience if you've already cruised here on Celebrity Beyond. Now, I am a luxury travel agent. I do represent Celebrity Cruises for US and Canadian clients only. If you're seriously interested in booking a cruise on Celebrity, I'd love to hear from you about it. And most of the time I can improve on the offer that you would have instead of booking on direct with the cruise line on your own. Even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly through Celebrity's North American offices only, you're not paid in full, it was not more than 30 days ago, and you did not book through another travel agent, I might still be able to help you on it, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries only. You may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on my website, affluentjourneys.com. Also, if you want to see my exclusive deals and special offers, make sure to follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook and give me a follow, Affluent Journeys on Instagram as well. You'll see my various travels and other video shorts and things that I'm doing here on the cruise. So that's pretty much it for this one. Make sure to watch the full room tour and other tours of the big suites that I'll have here on my playlist that you can see here on the YouTube channel. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for the next one.